Grizzle.
Definitely not.
Grizzle, please keep fully.
Just drink. Stop there! Now I feel too much pressure, it won't work.
Come on, youngest child, let's go.
Pay attention.
Earn our attention.
No! It's not working now. Okay, your glass is too small. I need a bigger glass. No, I need a bigger glass. Because the fork needs to go on my forehead.
What is this fucking witchcraft thing?
It's worth every fucking time.
Okay, Hal.
Where's Rana? I miss Rana.
Rana, between the metal fridge and the stove, there's bigger glasses.
Are there?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't care what you're doing. Keep coming.
But I'm getting bigger glasses.
Helen, between the metal fridge and the oven.
Oh, I heard between the metal fridge and the white fridge.
The taller glasses are on that second shelf. Come here. Come on back.
Erin, leave me alone, okay? You've been intimidating me all semester. I'm very into school mode.
By the way, just look at the TV.
It's great.
I don't get it. Why does that happen? What is that?
It always does. I don't know why. This is priceless.
This is priceless.
Guys, you're not letting me do this.
Helen, where did you learn this trick?
My mom. My whole family does it, and it usually works. You're gonna stab yourself with the fork. Be careful. I usually don't have a whole group laughing at me while I'm doing it.
So, when do the hiccups go away? Do you have to drink the whole glass?
Erin, you're mean.
There he is. World Swimmer of the Year in 2014, and he said he missed 2015.
That was a good one.
You know what? Everybody else can go fuck themselves. Oh, you guys are gonna see more time. I just see that whole thing didn't work. I can't believe that didn't work.
Yeah, try it again. Maybe this time it'll work better.
Michael Phelps in the shorter individual medley right now.
Everybody else can leave me alone.
He's certainly somebody who is only 21 years of age.
Rana, come over.
It's just
4 years.
I'm not dead.
Ryan Lawson in the 200-meter individual medley.
Everybody here's really mean. I can't do comedy when everybody's.
Oh yeah, it's our fault.